Dr. Lakshmana. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Mohan Kanda Garu IAS to share his thoughts and valuable experience with us. Sir, please. You come. So I would like to invite Dr. Lakshmana IAS Garu so he can share his thoughts.
Respected former Chief Secretary Government of Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Mohan Kanda Garu, then respected Biswal Garu, former Chairman ABPSC, then my friend Mr. Krishnaya, Chairman AP Gazetted Officers Association, JAC, AP Secretariat, and another friend, Dr. Bayareddy Garu, HOD and the Dean of this BA Public Policy, UPES Dehradun, then Amit Sharma ji, UPES, then my dear parents and also students and my faculty members at Dr. Lakshmana Study Circle in all the three different locations in Visakhapatnam, Dehradun and Hyderabad. And press. Good morning to one and all. So this is the most important occasion for me because this is the prestigious institution UPES, established in 2003 in Uttarakhand, and a number of stalwarts are there in this particular university and they are doing an excellent work in the education field, and their slogan is National Builders University. They want to create the national builders, and my slogan is to create leaders. So that is why merge it together through an MOU with the effort of Bayareddy sir and Bharat ji and other people. And throughout my career, because I worked in different capacities in AP state government, from MPDO to the project officer in different departments, education department, women and child welfare, and at the secretariat again. And throughout this career, Dr. Ashok IAS, now the intermediate education commissioner, within a short span he will come here. And we are the co-authors in books published by Telugu Academy. And with all his blessings, we achieved the best results in the country. And this year I am sure that we will get the best result in the coming months. Again, we will meet here probably in the May 3rd week to celebrate that. So in all these successful events, Mohan Kanda Garu, then Biswal Garu, then other people, apart from the other regular faculty members, because so whenever I request, then they used to attend for the mock interviews, then especially Mohan Kandagaru, and he used to take classes on ethics, on agriculture, on disaster management. So whenever I request, then he used to come and take the classes. And he accepted to go to Dehradun even. In April 11th, he will be in Dehradun to take classes for the Dehradun students. So that is his commitment. And I learned several things from all these senior officers, maybe Ashok sir or Biswal sir and Mohan Kanda sir, and I am trying my level best to produce such leaders in the country. This is the single motto. Because here, sir will explain why we have to enter into civil services. There is need to produce the leaders. Maybe national builders are the leaders, permanent leaders. To tackle that situation, we have to promote the best people in the country. And I thought that this is the best way to give coaching to all the youngsters, so who are in the degree level or postgraduate level, then after completion of their professional courses, if they move towards the civil services, not because to enjoy the power and also authority, but to serve the poor. And here, so I will try to emphasize this particular aspect. So if you get into service, automatically you will enjoy the power, then you will get authority, then you can do a number of things. But so the one only important aspect in my view is service. And number of officers are lacking this particular aspect. For one or the other passion, they are entering into the civil services and they are getting the service and they are not doing work, they are not doing up to the mark. So even after retirement, so since at least 2 years I am closely associating with Mohan Kandaji, and since at least 5 years I am associating with Biswal Garu, and almost for 15 years I am associating with Ashok Garu. And there are several good officers. And they are always, busy in thinking something which is useful for the society. We want to do this program, that program, then finally the ultimate goal is to reach the people. Because the main problem in India is the government is providing several things, but the people, or the needy people, especially the poor and the poorest of the poor, unable to receive what the government is giving, maybe at the central level or at the state level. And where exactly we are working. And hence probably here, this is my luck to be associated with all these dignitaries. And the another luck is Dehradun. Number of systems are there. I visited the university, I took classes. Then finally I accepted to take that particular task. They are doing an excellent job. And you don't believe that in the first year, because they have started in the month of, I think, October last year, October. Then the admission process is over. Then only 12 students joined in that particular university in BA Public Policy, which was started a little bit late. And the rest of the university, UPS, is having a 9,500 strength. That is the capacity of the university in Dehradun, in most beautiful place. Only 12 students joined for this particular BA Public Policy, and for these 12 students, we have maintained very good curriculum. The timetable, generally if the strength is very high, 1200, 100, 200, 1000 people, then we have to plan. In the same fashion, we have planned for these 12 students in such a way that they are very happy and they learn something. Then now they are having confidence to get into the service in this 1 year. Even though the time is very less, then the people's strength is also very less, and it is not economically feasible. Even then, the university took a lot of interest to maintain, a very strict curriculum in both academics as well as in civil services. In civil services, we have divided the entire syllabus into the different compartments. First semester, second semester, third semester, fourth semester, fifth one, sixth one. In 6 semesters, we will cover both the prelims as well as mains and the interview point of view. And in relation to my experience in handling this particular preparation, and I used to suggest that you have to start your preparation with the interview, not with the, generally the people will say that, sir, initially you please do me only prelims coaching, then after that the mains coaching, then after that then interview. No, we have to start from the end. We have to start our preparation from the interview point of view. Because in interview, the board will ask one question, you will give the answer, and from your answer, the second question. From your answer, the third question. From your answer, the fourth question. And if you start this particular approach while reading the newspaper, maybe the subject, so what next, what next, what next, what next, then you can complete the entire prelims, mains, then interview in single stroke. And here we cannot compartmentalize the prelims history and mains history, and the prelims geography and mains geography. So geography is one subject, history is one subject, economy is one subject. You have to read as it is, as a capsule form. And if you separate, this is the prelims economy and this is the mains economy and this is interview economy, then you cannot enjoy the subjects. So if you are taking one particular aspect, then you have to read that particular aspect in the form of a story, then you can remember the story and you can remember number of cause and effect relationship in that particular story, so that you can remember very easily. You can recollect, you can reproduce as it is. And with the same style, so we are doing this prelims, mains and interview preparation from the degree level. So that in BA Public Policy, so the academics is concentrating on the public administration, then the political science, then sociology, then parts of anthropology, then parts of economy, then polity, then a little bit of history, everything. And all these subjects are related to civil services, and hence our preparation will be very easy, because here the main problem in this civil services examination is you have to recollect at least a few points on each and